All right, good morning. Welcome to Queen Shirley. This is the before video of Queen Shirley. Doing a little cleaning up first. Queen Shirley is a 1973 Grady white tournament, 18-footer. Of course, you know, there's a radio over there, glove box, steering wheel. Also, you have the bow, 2 live wells. I haven't lifted out up yet to see what's in there. But yeah, those are the seats. I got to clean those up. Or those might get replaced. But yeah, we just letting y'all see the before video, and I'm gonna give you an after video. Those of y'all that know more about the boating thing, hit me up. Let me know, because I do have questions and stuff like that. And if it's something y'all see, please let me know, man. I have an OMC 165 motor, V6. That's right, V6, y'all. Again, like I say, y'all just let me know, man. Give me heads up, tips, pointers, stuff like that to do on this rebuild. I bet y'all didn't see this one coming. Alright, YouTube, so I'm back. I'm giving y'all an update. So this is day 2 of my new boat. Like I said, it's a 1973 Grady white tournament. Right now what I'm doing is redoing the trailer. If y'all have seen this thing when I first got this trailer, man, this trailer was bad, bro. It would rust. So what I'm doing right now is priming the trailer now. It's looking a whole lot better, man. If you give me y'all an idea of what the trailer looked like. It is a Cox trailer, nice trailer, strong. But as y'all see, we got it sanded down a little bit. So now I'm just going over it with the primer. I'm trying to figure out what color I want to paint this trailer. I don't know if I want to do a black or go back white with it.
Hard work.
But yeah,
Hard work.
That's Malik over there.
Dedication. Dedication right there.
He's out here helping. So yeah, I'm going with a, this is the primer I'm going with. Pretty good primer, man. It dries fast and stuff. Also, I'm lubing up a lot of the things on the boat. But like I say, man, with this project, man, y'all give me the heads up on some things I can use, some good things on rebuilding this thing. But yeah, man, I mean, it's coming together. First time ever purchasing a boat, doing anything. But I'm gonna give y'all a lot of update on this boat day by day. I won't be able to do it tomorrow due to it's supposed to be raining here tomorrow, so I won't really be doing much on it. I got a guy coming out to pressure wash the boat for me. That's my baby them over there. We're doing the seats now. But yeah, man, I mean, it's coming along. This is the first time, and I know y'all haven't seen no videos on Thanos. I'll give you the heads up on Thanos. Thanos is still here. I want to order some more mods, but right now at this time I don't have the capability of getting the mods here on time due to some of the parts getting shipped. It's taking a little while. Also, I had the flu a couple weeks ago, so that's another reason why I didn't get a chance to get y'all some more videos in. But like I said, the last reason why I didn't get no videos in is because this thing right here, that thing right there, that's why. Been working hard to get it. Now that I got it, I'm working on cleaning it now, so it's probably gonna be about a 3-day, I'll say 3 to 4 days cleaning this thing. I know where I need to be once the guys come out and pressure wash it and stuff like that. Right now it has blue carpet in it. That carpet will be taken up and redone. I'll also do a video on that. But this video right here, guys, these next few videos is probably gonna be on this right here until this COVID is over with and I can order parts for Thanos and get them, you know, put on and stuff. But like I say, this is day 2. This is day 2 of me working on the boat. So what you'll see is the trailer getting repainted. you guys give me some ideas or color you would like to see the trailer painted. Trust me, y'all know, all my fans that's been following, all my KK fans, y'all know that's been following me. Y'all know I listen to y'all and I pretty much do what y'all say. Those tires will be replaced, if not today, tomorrow. I go pick those up. Like I say, man, I just need y'all help on this thing, man. I don't know much about boating, but I know it's a lot of y'all out there that know a lot about boating. So with that said, please comment down below. Let me know some things I need to get. Yes, I know I need an anchor. I did look at an anchor today, and a boat top. Also, if y'all are in the North Carolina area, give me some places where I can go purchase parts for this boat. Stuff like a bimmy top, covers, stuff like that. That railing right there, I need to know where I can repurchase this railing. I want to get a whole new railing right here. Also, man, like I say, man, this is gonna be a fun project. These next few videos will be on this right here. So all my KK fans, man, y'all stay tuned, man, and stick with us. We gonna get it together.